Hey YOGAZ fam, welcome back. Well, I'm not surprised. After putting this company together, I'm getting some itchy feet and I am on what I call a 7-year cycle. What that means is every 7 years, 7 years, I like to do what I call a career change. And the picture on the screen right now is actually the prototype of the first pair of yogas. If you've watched any of the previous videos, you know that I was a mental health practitioner and COVID hit. So I was doing some teaching yoga as a part-time job. And then that's when I developed the prototype for yogas and got some samples made. Started setting up at the local markets, which was great. So next came building the website and also taking photos for the website, etc. So we had to get everything put up. Now, people were really liking the fact that I was a local designer and living in kind of an artsy community, which was really nice as well. So we had to get some warehouse space. Everything just seemed to go so fast, and before I knew it, it's like 3-4 years have already passed by. Once again, I've designed locally, meaning I designed these in the United States, but we actually had them manufactured abroad. So we get to the point where we're selling online, which is great. If you haven't watched the video, how did yogas come to be, I encourage you to do that on our website, which is www.yogaz.com. We've been really selling a lot on our e-commerce store, which is great. So that has all been going well, and our sales, I would say, are equivalent from the market to selling online. So anyway, we have actual customer testimonials, and again, everything on that has been going well. So we're learning the markets, we're networking, we're marketing, we're doing social media, but we've also had to upgrade our vehicles as well. So with that in mind, I'll get to the vehicles in a moment. First off, I wanted to show you, this is funny, the video of designing the bow top, which if you see it right now, it's sort of like, oh my God, how did that come to be? But this was in my cabin in the North Woods of Minnesota, and I was trying to describe to my husband Buck how to do this so he could put it actually on the computer, and how we could do a prototype, which ended up being this right here, the bow top that we sell. It's like our bread and butter. Anyway, going back to the vehicles, this was our first vehicle that we went to the markets in, and we rapidly outgrew that to our next Toyota Tundra, which was a backbreaker hauling everything around. And finally now to the we ended up getting a transit vehicle, which is a box, and that makes our job so much easier, going to the warehouse, going to the markets, and restocking and so forth. So it's just all a learning process, but we're getting to the phase where we really want to go to visit our manufacturer in China and meet some new ones in India. But anyway, we're still getting up really, really early to get to these markets, set up, working at these markets all day, selling online, meeting via Zoom, etc. with our manufacturer, and it's been really kind of weird doing this all online, but we're finally able to meet her, so we just have 5 months to go. I hope you follow along for the ride.
Here, because now our new year is coming, and the next year is a horse, right? My English is not so good. You can check, it's really beautiful. It's a horse with a wing. Wow, it's really beautiful. Okay, I believe this means our business next year will fly to next level. Okay, hope we will be happy next year.